Welcome back to Auto Access, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the latest 2025 models, focusing on reviews, specs, and standout features across a variety of vehicles. As we move into 2025, automakers are pushing boundaries in terms of technology, performance, and sustainability. Whether you're a fan of electric vehicles, luxury sedans, or rugged off-roaders, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for car enthusiasts. One of the most anticipated trends of 2025 is the increased focus on electric and hybrid vehicles. Many manufacturers are unveiling new electric models, each boasting better range, faster charging times, and advanced driver assistance features. Whether you're looking at the latest offerings from Tesla, Ford, or newer brands like Rivian and Lucid, the EV market is more competitive than ever. The specs on these models are impressive, with ranges exceeding 400 miles on a single charge and 0 to 60 times dropping below 3 seconds for many high-performance models. Battery technology continues to improve, with some vehicles now offering solid-state batteries, which are lighter, more efficient, and safer than traditional lithium-ion options. When it comes to interior features, 2025 models do not disappoint. Across the board, manufacturers are integrating more advanced technology into the cabin. Expect to see larger infotainment screens, with sizes often exceeding 15 inches, and more intuitive interfaces that respond to voice commands, touch, and even gestures. Connectivity is also a major focus, with many cars now offering 5G compatibility, enabling faster navigation updates, real-time traffic monitoring, and better integration with smart home devices. Comfort and luxury are also on the rise, with even mid-range models offering features like heated and ventilated seats, premium sound systems, and customizable ambient lighting. In the realm of safety, 2025 cars are equipped with the latest in driver assistance technologies. Autonomous driving is becoming more widespread, with some models offering Level 3 autonomy, allowing the car to handle most driving tasks under certain conditions while still requiring the driver's attention. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are now standard on many vehicles, ensuring a safer driving experience for all. SUVs and crossovers continue to dominate the market in 2025, with more models catering to both family needs and off-road adventures. Many manufacturers are also expanding their lineups with rugged, off-road capable models. These vehicles often come with advanced all-wheel drive systems, reinforced suspension, and specialized tires to tackle tough terrain. Additionally, hybrid and electric powertrains are being introduced into this segment, offering both power and efficiency. Luxury brands are also stepping up their game in 2025, with brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi introducing next-generation sedans and SUVs that blend cutting-edge technology with top-tier comfort and performance. Whether you're looking for a high-performance electric sports car or a family-friendly SUV, 2025 has something for everyone. Thank you for watching this video from Auto Access. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay up to date with the latest in automotive news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.